Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop using Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Before stopping the app, go to each account in the app and change your security settings. Swipe to another method like SMS, codes, email verification, or a different Authenticator app. This ensures you can still log in after you stop using Authenticator. Next, go back to the Microsoft Authenticator and remove the account. Tap on the account, then select remove account or delete account. Confirm it. This disconnect the app from your account safely. If you are using Authenticator for a Microsoft account, go to your Microsoft security settings in a browser or on the Microsoft app. Disable two-factor authentication or switch to another verification method. Now you can either stop using the app or delete from your iPhone. To delete, tap and hold the app and then tap on remove app, then tap delete app. Your accounts are still safe if you switch authentication. And that's it. You have successfully stopped using Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.